Today, I decided to replace the old window. The idea is to renovate the ground floor house and rent it out. The problem is that the windows are old and poorly sealed, and that's why they need to be replaced. Although I have many other things to fix, such as cracked walls and other things, I started with the window. So in the future, if you like such content, I will post a series of videos about the renovation of this apartment. That's why I invite you to subscribe to the channel and follow the progress of this renovation. Since I have no intention of using that window anymore, I have absolutely no need to save the frame. That's why I decided to remove the window as easily and simply as possible, with as little damage to the walls as possible, so that I wouldn't have to fill in after the works. I know that maybe someone would do it differently, but I chose the simplest way to replace the windows. And with all that, I decided to share it with you. If you don't like it, please don't judge. I mostly do all these repairs and works myself, and this way I will try to present it. In addition, I hope that in time I will be able to understand what you like to watch, and that I can market such content. This channel is always in the stage of development, as well as shaping the content. I'm not sure how the window is set up, so I have to slowly take it apart piece by piece. As I said, I'm not interested in saving it, and I use an axe to split it in half for easy removal. It's just that it never goes as easily as we would like. In the previous period, I started a couple of projects that will not be published yet, and they concern some works in the yard. And as far as I've noticed, they have a nice response. That's why I decided on this series of videos that follow. I hope you'll send your opinion in the comments and whether you like it or not. To be honest, I was lucky that the window was not fixed to the wall. Otherwise, half the wall would have come off. The plaster is crumbling and crowning. The house is 60 years old. I've been putting all this off for the past 2 years. I didn't care to go into this kind of project all by myself, but in the end I broke, so whatever happens, let it happen. I wanted to take measurements for the new window before removing the old one, but in the end I gave up and decided to remove the old one first, and only then take measurements for the new window. And it turned out well in the end, because the measurements would not be accurate. The depth is smaller than the previously measured ones, because the window had a moulding that apparently widened the depth. And so I got an opening that is 156 cm wide and 117 cm high. So I will have to make a little bit of a hole so that I can install a new PVC window. In the next video, I will show you the installation of a new window. If you liked it, don't miss the next episode. I wish you all the best.